Hey, my friends, here's a question for you. Do you want to study hard or study smart? It's your choice, hard or smart. And if you are here to study smart, then you have come to the right place. And in this video, I will show you how to study smart for GATE. In this video, I will show you how you can analyze the GATE question paper pattern and how you can analyze the topics, from which topics you are getting more questions, which topics you are getting less questions, and how you can prepare your GATE preparation strategy. I will tell you the right strategy to crack GATE Civil 2022 exam. And if you are here to crack your exam, then stay tuned. So let's start the video. And here's the secret revealed. If you want to crack GATE exam or any other competitive exam, then you need to study past previous papers. Yes, my friend, you've got it right. We are gonna study past 30 years solved GATE papers. Okay, this book is for GATE 2021, but I would highly recommend you to buy the book for GATE 2022, and the review of this book I have done in my video, which I'll leave here and up above in the I button. In this video, let me show you how you can use this book to your advantage. So let me take, for example, the subjects. Let me tell you the subjects which have got the highest weightage, and in addition to this, I would like to add that I will be making another video in which I will show you the important topics, all the important topics, the 400 most important concepts you need, or 300, or there's I think 350 or nearly 400. If you just study those concepts, you will surely get above 70 plus score will be in your pocket. Okay, here if you see, the maximum weightage comes from soil mechanics or geotechnical engineering, whatever you say. 15% is from general aptitude, 13% nearly is from engineering mathematics. Then you get 18 questions, I guess, from geotechnical, as I said. Then environmental is important. Geotech, environment and transportation engineering, you get 10 plus marks. And in addition to this, I would recommend you to study the easy subjects, which is like surveying or geomatics engineering, like they have given it here. The advantage is that this subject is very easy, just a logical thing. If you just think logically, you can easily solve the questions without even calculations, just with the concepts. And you get 4 to 5 marks from here, which is very easy. And if you see, rest others have nearly the same weightage, more or less. And I would recommend you to study construction management also, if you are interested in construction management. And if you leave all these things, after geotech, transportation and environmental comes hydrology in terms of weightage, irrigation engineering and hydrology and all those things. Then comes fluid mechanics in the weightage. Then are the structural subjects. Yes, my friend, structural subjects weightage is less, and you waste all your time studying the structural subjects only. So let me go to the geotechnical engineering. Okay, it's on page 213. Let's get it. And this is the most important topic. That's why I'm showing you the strategy, how you can use this book, analyze the pattern and prepare your own GATE strategy for 2022. So what you need to do first is you need to study the syllabus that is given here. Okay, so the syllabus that's given here, this is not updated. This is from last year. You need to look for GATE 2022 syllabus. Just for example, I'm considering this because there are no major changes in the syllabus, not so many changes, but there are some changes. Syllabus, so you have origin of soil structures and fabric. I think this is taken off from the syllabus, but anyway, the three-phase system and relationship, this is their index property is there. So you need to study whatever they have given. Okay, this is their seepage is there, flow nets are there, and the list goes so on. Then you need to come to the analysis of previous. And from 91 to 2020, if you see here, okay, from 91 to the year 2020, set 1 and 2, because after 2014 the exam was conducted on CBT, computer based test, in 2 shifts, morning and evening. So you have 2 papers. Okay, so you need to see the total marks so that you get an idea of total weightage. So in the year 91 it was for 15 marks, then it got reduced in 93, then again it was on its all-time high at 2003, then after 2003 it was in 20s, more than 20, then again if you see after 2009 to 2020 it was somewhere between 14 to 16. So should expect 14 to 16 marks from geotech. 14 to 15 marks, from 100, 14 to 16 marks, that's around 14 to 16%. Okay, that's a great amount of marks, and this is the highest amount of marks you get from any subject in GATE Civil 2022. You need to go topic wise. Okay, already in this book topic wise questions are given. So for example, I am taking properties of soil as my topic to consider, to show you your strategy. So you need to study from which topics these questions were asked, what they are asking. If you see first question, they are asking the void ratios in loosest and densest states respectively. So all this, we study all this about void ratio and all. Okay, specific in the next example, okay, water content is so you need to study water content, specific gravity, and all the interrelationships between them. So the questions based on those are asked. Then Atterberg's limits, question on Atterberg's limits are asked. Then again you get void ratio. So now the void ratio is really very important. Again, the properties like the consistency was asked. Again, activity and all are important. Okay, so again directly they've asked the relationship, so you should be thorough and you should be perfect with the relationships, as I said earlier. Then consistency index, they have asked the indexes. There is consistency index, toughness index, and all. You need to study those indexes. And again, see here, again the void ratio is asked. Then comes, this is a question on, I guess, sensitivity and activity. Okay, that is also important. Then you need to make a list of all these things, and principle involved in submerged unit weight and saturated unit weight. The concept of submerged unit weight and saturated unit weight, that is important. Again, void ratio was asked. So the list goes on. The tests are asked. See here, this is based on the shrinkage limit. So you need to study all the tests in detail. Then the classification of soil, this question is on classification. Densities are asked, dry density, maybe they might ask you even the field tests. Okay, because they check your practical aspect and practical thinking. So we have come to an end to this topic. Then I would say the soil deposits, about how that soil is transported by wind and all, you should study that. Then in the next question they have asked, considering the unit weight, they have asked, okay, again water content. Again I guess 2 to 3 questions water content was asked. In 4 questions the city was asked, and here again they have asked the specific gravity. So you have got to know that specific gravity is important. Here permeability test is important. Tests are important. Then the properties like specific gravity, porosity, then permeability and all are important. The interrelationships like this are important. Dry density is important. Okay, bulk density is also important likewise. Okay, and here they've asked about the compaction, the field, dry density is important. Okay, likewise you get to know. So here shrinkage limit, plastic limit and all are important. The classification of soil is important, identification is important, activity is important. Here again you get the question on activity. By analysis of all these things, laboratory tests and all, you get to draw conclusions like this. You need to analyze the paper, you need to analyze the topics, and after you do the analysis you should start studying. This makes easier for you to understand the topics which you need to study in deep, which you the topics which you need to concentrate, which you don't need to concentrate, which are not important. By this you save a lot of time not studying the important topics. Okay, so here's how it goes, and the same method you need to apply for all the other subjects, all the other topics as well. First you need to look for the paper analysis, how much marks it comes, the subject comes. Then you need to see, as I said in a summary, I'm saying this. Then you need to go into the depth. You need to check the syllabus, what all topics are asked, and you need to check from which topic what kind of questions are asked, what is important, so you can predict what questions they might ask this year and also in the future. So this was all about this video. If you got some insights, and if I have made your journey easy, then please share this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button very hard so that the sound reaches the moon. Okay. So here it ends. So thank you for watching my video so patiently.